spacecraft from Earth can still catch up to comet Oumuamua, according to a new study. While the team has already submitted a white paper to NASA's decadal survey, it remains to be seen if their proposal will be adopted, though. A team of researchers came up with a plan specifying how a spacecraft, if launched in the next few years, could catch up with an enigmatic interstellar object, the comet known as Oumuamua, and snap a picture of it up close, according to live science reports. Originating from somewhere beyond our solar system, it's an interplanetary comet. Oumuamua passed our Earth in 2017 and is currently estimated to be somewhere outside Neptune's orbit. It's heading towards the Pegasus constellation. Researchers from UK-registered non-profit Initiative for Interstellar Studies, I4IS for short, together with their colleagues from the US and Europe, proposed that a spacecraft launched by 2028 could still catch up with that object. As we know, it went by us very quickly. We didn't have a very good chance to look at it. They said what we need is a photograph of it very close, and in situ photograph. This is what Adam Hibbard, software engineer at I4IS, lead author of the study, says. He says, and the only way you can do that is by sending a mission. Under the so-called Project Lyra, proposed by the team, a spacecraft launched from Earth would swing by Venus and our planet, which would allow it to reach Jupiter with minimal fuel. Then the craft would burn fuel to accelerate and slingshot past Jupiter towards Oumuamua at a speed of about 133,200 kilometers per hour. He said, Jupiter has 1,000th the mass of our Sun, so it's much less massive, and you don't get quite as much, to use the expression, bang for your buck, but you do get there at a fairly high speed, he said. While the team has already submitted a white paper, NASA's decadal survey, it remains to be seen whether their proposal will be implemented. Of course, it all has to do about how much it would cost. Hilbert said, we'll see what comes out of that white paper. We're trying to get encouragement from the scientific community. After all, it would solve a lot of their questions. I hope it does happen. This is on Sputnik News by Andrei Dergalin. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box